CapCut is one of the best free video editing apps available today. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these 5 tips and tricks will take your videos to the next level. Let's dive right in. Tip number 1. Smooth transitions. You can make your video look professional by using smooth transitions between clips. To do this, tap on the white box between your clips, select Effects, and choose from a variety of transition options. Adjust the duration to make it flow perfectly. Tip number 2. Keyframe animations. Keyframes allow you to add custom animations to your clips, making text, images, or even videos move across the screen. Just tap the diamond icon at the start and end points of your animation to create dynamic movements that will impress your viewers. Tip number 3. Speed ramping. Want to add a dramatic effect to your video? Speed ramping lets you adjust the speed of your clip, creating a slow motion or fast motion effect that looks amazing. To use it, select your clip, tap Speed, and choose Curve to create smooth speed transitions. Tip number 4. Background remover. No green screen? No problem. CapCut has an inbuilt background remover that allows you to isolate your subject instantly. Tap on your clip, select Remove Background, and watch the magic happen. Perfect for creating professional-looking videos without any fancy equipment. Tip number 5. Audio effects. Adding the right audio effect can make your video pop. From robot voices to ambient sounds, CapCut offers a range of audio effects to match the mood of your scene. Tap on the audio track, select Effects, and browse through the options to add the perfect touch. And there you have it, 5 CapCut tips and tricks that will make your videos stand out. Which tip was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and keep creating amazing videos.